The blueprint of a narcissist from childhood to adult patterns. Yes, that's what we're going to talk about today on Trauma Talks, okay? I'm Krystal Boothe. We're tracing the blueprint of a narcissist, not to shame you, but to help you understand. Because narcissism often begins as a survival strategy. In painful, chaotic environments, when we recognize how early dynamics wire the system, we gain power to protect ourselves, guide clients with clarity, and if we're parenting, to steer differently, you guys, okay? So welcome to Trauma Talks, okay? All right. Why does the blueprint matter? Narcissist refers to a cluster of traits: grandiosity, entitlement, emotional detachment, manipulation, not always full-blown narcissistic personality disorder. Okay, the blueprint is the developmental architecture behind those traits. It's not destiny, but a map, and a map helps us change direction. Yes, you guys. Okay. All right. The temperament and early biology. Let's get right into it. It starts at birth, you guys. Some babies are more reactive, harder to soothe. If their needs are met with attunement, they wire for safety. If they were met with hostility, neglect, or chaos, they wire for survival. Two factors shape this, okay? Early wiring, stress psychology. A stressed out caregiver creates a world of chronic cortisol and threat anticipation. Affect attunement, without consistent emotional mirroring, a child forms a false self. Polished outside, hollow inside. Temperament, pause, environment equals risk. Not certainty, but possibility, okay? Core family dynamics, number 2. Okay, all right, these dynamics repeat like bad scripts. Emotional invalidation, feeling dismissed becomes danger. Children learn to perform what's rewarded. Charm, achievement, superiority, shame over safety, humiliation replaces soothing, rage and grandiosity become armor. Role reversal. Parentified child becomes emotional managers. They lose their childhood and any sense of boundaries. All right, idealized, devalued cycles, adoration flips to contempt. All right, so let's talk about performance-based and fragile. Narcissists modeling kids reflect the parents' ego, not their own worth. All right, trauma and neglect, abuse, chaos, abandonment, hardened survival into entitlement and disassociation. The core message: be the prize or be punished. That's the bottom line, what happens, okay? So defensive architecture, okay? This defensive architecture is created. The child builds defenses to survive emotional war zones, okay? False self, performative identity, earn love, but fears authenticity. All right, grandiosity, polished armor to mask shame. Entitlement, I deserve more, becomes a shield for unmet needs. All right, perfection, you're the problem. All right, protects the inner self. All right, splitting, all right, are either savior or threat. No in between, okay? These defenses once protect them, now destroy connection, okay? So let's talk about social reinforcements in adolescence, okay? Teens years amplify this mask, all right? Charm becomes currency without correction. A mentor or someone like that can help change this, but identity fuses to performance. Worth becomes external.